start the about English grammar. Yes, before we start, we knew about the language. It may be a Kannada, it may be English, or it may be a Marathi. So, what is a language? Language is a medium of communication. It is a medium of communication through we express our ideas and thoughts by this language. As we have to learn a language, we knew about the grammar of that language. So then what is grammar? Grammar is a systematic study of a language. It provides information how to learn a language. How to learn a language. Yes, we want to learn one of the language. We know only about the grammar. Nowadays we are very eager about the learn to English language. It is very necessity nowadays. So today we want to learn English grammar. So we learn about the English language. We knew about the grammar, about the English. And now after the grammar, before we learn about the alphabet of the English grammar. Yes, ನಾವು ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಭಾಷೆಯನ್ನು ಕಲಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ಮೂಲಾಕ್ಷರಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಮಗೇನಿರ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? Alphabet, it is a set of letters. It is a set of letters. And then you already knew about that. How many letters in English? There are 26 letters in English. Letters in English. And then these 26 letters we had divided in two types. In writing we write the capital letters and also small letters. Capital letters A to Z, you already knew that, and small letters. Yes, A to Z. We write English alphabet in two types, capital letters and small letters. And then alphabet divided into two types. Vowels and consonants. How many vowels in English? There are 5 vowels in English. How many consonants in English? There are 21 consonants in English. And then which are they? A, E, I, O, U. And then B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Yes, these are the vowels and these are the consonants. And then in Kannada we can't write a letter without a consonant. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕಾನ್ಸನೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ವರಗಳ ಸಹಾಯ ಇಲ್ಲದ ಅಕ್ಷರವನ್ನು ಅಕ್ಷರವನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕಾಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. In English we can write some words without vowels like sky, try, fly. This type of words we can write without vowels in English. In Kannada we didn't write. We can't write without a ಲೆಟರ್ ವಿದೌಟ್ ಓವೆಲ್ಸ್. ಸ್ವರಗಳ ಸಹಾಯದಿಂದ ನಾವು ಅಕ್ಷರವನ್ನು ಬರೆಯೋಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಎಸ್, we knew about the alphabet of the English. There are 26 alphabet in English, and they are divided into vowels and consonant. And then we have to learn this one, and then what next? We have to learn the English grammar, and then next is the parts of speech. Parts of speech. Parts of speech means ಭಾಷೆಯ ಭಾಗಗಳು ಅಂತ. And then what are these parts of speech? What is these parts of speech? Words which are frequently used in our speaking and writing are called parts of speech. Words which are frequently used in our speaking and writing. ನಾವು ಮಾತನಾಡುವಂತಹ ವಾಕ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ, ಬರೆಯುವಂತಹ ವಾಕ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಮಾಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಲ್ಪಡುವಂತಹ ಶಬ್ದಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್, ಭಾಷೆಯ ಭಾಗಗಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ವಿ ನೋ ಅಬೌಟ್ every word of the parts of speech, and we can write easily the sentence, and we can make the easy sentence, and then we can speak in English very easily. So which are they? How many parts of speech in English? There are 8 parts of speech in English. Which are they? Noun, ನಾಮಪದ, pronoun, ಸರ್ವನಾಮ, adjective, ನಾಮವಿಶೇಷಣ, verb, ಕ್ರಿಯಾಪದ, adverb, ಕ್ರಿಯಾವಿಶೇಷಣ, preposition, ಉಪಸರ್ಗವ್ಯಯ, conjunction, ಸಮುಚ್ಛಾಯಾವ್ಯಯ, interjection, ಭಾವಬೋಧಕ. These are the 8 parts of speech in English. Yes. What is the parts of speech? Words which are frequently used in our speaking and writing. In every our speaking and writing, the words are used in this. This parts of speech also called the family of the parts of speech. Which are the noun is the head of the family, father, and adjective, verb, and pronoun and adjective was the brothers, and then adverb and prepositions are the sisters, and these are the grandparents of the and verb is the called mother, head of the family, because we can't do nothing without verb in our family. As like verb also very important topic in the whole English grammar. Okay. Yes. And then today I would like to start the first parts of speech, noun. Part 2. Stop.